KFC in Komani, Queenstown, Eastern Cape, has fired 5 of its employees for not meeting the target for R2 and hope donations. What started as a call to help the community and children in need resulted in 5 people being dismissed. Apparently, in KFC, there's an undisclosed target per employee to gain donations, or else there'll be consequences. KFC assumes by not meeting the target, possibly these employees are stealing. The employees are facing a case of fraud and dishonesty for not meeting the target, which raises the question, why is KFC so concerned with the donations? Do they perhaps financially benefit from them? And more importantly, do these funds actually reach the beneficiaries of which whom they are supposed to?